Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the incredible potential of 3D printing in the field of medicine. From custom prosthetics to bioprinted organs, this technology is opening up new possibilities for healthcare. Let's dive into 18 fascinating facts about how 3D printing is shaping the future of medicine. Did you know that 3D printing can produce custom-fit prosthetics tailored to individual patients? This technology allows for precise measurements, resulting in prosthetics that are more comfortable and functionally suited to each user. Did you know that 3D bioprinting is paving the way for the production of human tissue? Scientists are already printing skin grafts for burn victims, with future applications potentially including complex tissues like blood vessels and cartilage. Did you know that 3D printing enables the creation of personalized implants, like joint replacements? Each implant can be uniquely designed to match the patient's anatomy, improving outcomes and reducing recovery times. Did you know that 3D printed organs may become a reality? Although still in early stages, bioprinting is advancing toward creating functional organs like kidneys and livers, which could one day help alleviate organ transplant shortages. Did you know that 3D printing is reducing the cost of surgical models? Surgeons can print models of a patient's anatomy before an operation, allowing them to practice and refine their approach, leading to safer and more precise surgeries. Did you know that in developing countries, 3D printed medical tools are making healthcare more accessible? Items like surgical instruments, splints, and casts can be printed on-site at a fraction of the cost of traditional equipment. Did you know that pharmaceutical companies are using 3D printing to create polypills? These pills contain multiple medications in precise doses, tailored to individual patients, which could simplify complex medication regimens. Did you know that 3D printed bone scaffolds are being developed to aid bone repair? These biocompatible structures allow cells to grow and integrate, effectively healing and reconstructing damaged bones over time. Did you know that 3D printing is advancing regenerative medicine? Scientists are experimenting with printing stem cells, which could eventually enable the growth of tissues that are capable of regenerating and repairing damaged organs. Did you know that 3D printed heart valves are under development? These valves can be customized for each patient, reducing the risk of rejection and improving compatibility, particularly for pediatric patients who may outgrow traditional implants. Did you know that 3D printing is revolutionizing dentistry? Custom dental implants, crowns, and orthodontic devices can be printed with exact precision, leading to quicker, more comfortable treatments and enhanced patient outcomes. Did you know that 3D printed casts are more breathable, lighter, and can be made waterproof? These casts offer an alternative to traditional plaster casts, making them more comfortable and less restrictive for patients. Did you know that researchers are developing 3D printed blood vessels that could be used in bypass surgeries? These bioprinted vessels are designed to mimic the elasticity and strength of natural blood vessels. Did you know that 3D printing is allowing scientists to print tissues with blood vessel networks? Vascularization is a major challenge in tissue engineering, and these advancements are essential for creating larger, functional tissue constructs. Did you know that 3D printed anatomical models are used for medical education? Students and professionals can study realistic, patient-specific models, improving their understanding and skill before working with real patients. Did you know that 3D printing is enhancing cancer treatment? Customized radiation shields and patient-specific tumor models allow for precise targeting and personalized treatment planning, improving the accuracy of therapies. Did you know that researchers are developing 3D printed skin for treating wounds and burns? Printed skin grafts are created with layered cells that promote healing and reduce the risk of scarring and severe injuries. Did you know that some 3D printed devices like hearing aids can be produced in hours rather than weeks? This allows for rapid customization and faster delivery to patients, improving their quality of life sooner. We hope these 18 facts about 3D printing in medicine gave you a glimpse into the future of healthcare. From organ bioprinting to personalized implants, this technology is set to revolutionize treatments and improve patient outcomes. If you found these insights fascinating, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more explorations into medical advancements. Let us know in the comments which fact amazed you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.